And you can see the payment proof here, 26, 16, 8, 9, 5, 11. I mean, the opportunities are endless. All you have to do is just go to... First, a disclaimer. Results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. You might earn more, you might earn less. But if you skip any part of this video, you might not earn anything at all. Therefore, it is highly recommended to watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. Make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is my IM Tips. It is related to internet marketing, making money online, and a lot more. And if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a long-term business, I highly recommend you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below as soon as we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's get started to see how we can earn $9 or even more again and again. Okay guys, so first to get started with the strategy here, we are going to YouTube. Now what we are going to work with here and take advantage of is the trending section. Okay, so you can go to the trending and you can see here you can sort by music, gaming, news, movies, and fashion and beauty. But the cool thing here is that anything that is related here on this trending topic has huge amount of traffic. And it's very easy to drive traffic to something that is trending, correct? Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so you can actually pick, let's keep music and gaming, but you could actually go for news also, but you can also scroll down here straight away. And I can quickly see here, look at these guys, 2021 make over 2.2 million views, and that is 1 day ago. Alright, let's scroll down. Here is something really cool. We have something from cricket.com.au, and India claims stunning series win and Australia GABA streak. Look at these guys, 24 million views in 1 day. Now this could be a super hot topic, so I'm just going to open it here in a new tab. Okay, so let's pause it here actually, this video. Now, what we are going to do is we want to use the share link, so let's copy that link. And the next thing is we want to actually make money of it. Okay, so how can we do that? Well, we can actually go to a site like this one here, and what you do here is you shorten, share, and earn money. So you shorten and get paid in 3 easy steps here. What you do is you create an account, you shorten your links, and you earn money. Now let's go to have a look at the payout rates. And you can see here that the highest payout rates is in Greenland, but of course there are not so many people living in Greenland, neither in Iceland, but United States, there we have it. And that's why I also said $9 again and again, because we can earn that per 1,000 views. So let's fire up the calculator, and if we take 24 million views, and let's assume that you get 1% of this traffic, okay? There you go. That is 240,000 views. Let's divide that with 1,000. And you have 240, and now it was $9 per 1,000 views. And you can earn $2,160, okay, with only 1% and only for this video alone. So I hope that you realize the potential here, guys. So now what we are going to do is we go back here, and of course we will enter the YouTube link here and shorten it up. You need, of course, to have created your account there. And then you get your link that you can use and copy and share that link. All right, so now the big secret. Where can we get traffic? Huge amount of traffic to share this link to earn as much as possible. Well, what is hot right now? It is TikTok. TikTok, we have seen a lot of people go crazy viral in a period of very short time here. We are talking about days actually. And let's play around a little bit and type cricket here to see how it looks. Well, look at these guys, 300,000 followers, 100,000, 70,000. So, I mean, you can quickly get some huge amount of traffic here. Now, how do you do that? Well, first off, you don't have to record yourself actually, but what you can do is you can actually go here, you can pick a highlight from this, and you can get started to record. So let's say that you record 15 or 20 seconds, maybe 15 seconds would be more than enough actually. And then what you do is you will enter some text there. To see the full video, just click the link in my bio, okay? What is important for TikTok is to work on hashtags, so you can see here hashtag for cricket. You just search around a little bit, you can get started, but I think that you will actually get the best hashtags straight away from TikTok actually. So take advantage of the hashtags and get started to post as many of these small videos as possible. You can actually make from the same video with different titles. I think you can definitely do like 5 or 6 videos that you can post per day there. So when you start to get huge amount of followers, what you need to do is to be fast. You know that this game is going to happen, and when it is posted on YouTube, you can get started to record this video, or if you prefer to download it, you can do that as well. Put some music, put some text. If you want even your own voice, it might be even better here on TikTok, and you can get huge amount of traffic. But the important thing is, of course, that you need to have your link in the bio there. Let's go back a little bit here again, scroll up a little bit. Look at this. This could be another one, okay? What is this? This is Emma Chamberlain with 2021 makeover. So what you can do is you can actually create like a gossip, okay? So let's see here, gossip. And you can see here, look at this, 500,000 followers, 173,000 followers. Here is another huge opportunity actually. And you can do the exact same thing here, okay? You can just grab your phone, get back to the video here for the makeover, and just pick like 5 or 10 seconds. And to watch the full video, just click the link in my bio, all right? So let's go back here. And you can see here, for example, here is a link. So you can do the exact same thing here, but instead of having Gossip Star, you will have your shortened link there. And if we grab the calculator again, you can see here that 2 million views in 1 day. So this is just for 1 day, guys, okay? So do we have 2 million views? Okay, let's say that you get 2% of these 2 million views here. That is 40,000, all right? Now, if we divide that by 1,000, okay, we have 40, and we multiply that by 9, because that was $9 for every 1,000 views. You can see here you have $360 earned by doing very simple videos on TikTok. Of course, we can proceed here, but I think I gave you some ideas. All you have to do is actually find something that is a hot topic, something with gossip, for example, and sports, like I shared earlier here, will definitely be a good topic, so you can get started and get viral. And make sure you're fast, you follow the niche that you're involved in, so you know when the next game is going to be played there, so you can post as fast as possible, because people are actually looking at it and follow it, and they will follow you, of course, and they will click through your link to see the latest news there. Okay, so basically I forgot to mention the site here, and it is exe.io, but I wanted to share with you another opportunity so you can earn even more money here with this site. If I scroll down a little bit here, you can see they do explain some of the benefits on why you should join here with exe.io, but look at these guys. 15% referral bonus. Their referral program is a great way to earn extra money by sharing exe.io with your friends. Refer new users and receive 15% of their earnings for life. And here you have the opportunity to actually earn some passive income. You do nothing, okay? So keep that in mind, guys. I shared in the past how easy you can share your link. You can use Facebook, you can use TikTok on this again, Twitter, or whatever. There are so many opportunities here that you can get started to earn some passive income with the referral program here. Also, something worth to mention is they have low minimum payout, they have the highest rates available, and of course everything from PayPal, Bitcoin, Payeer or ATM is available here as payment method. Now that's a great way to make some money online, but if you are interested in actually build a long-term sustainable online business, I highly recommend you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.